In this video I'm going to show you how to play The Forest Wakes by Nicholas Powelsland, taken from the Trinity Classical Guitar Exam Grade 1. As always, I'm going to play the piece in two different tempos, one as it's supposed to sound and a slowed down version so that you can see what's going on. I'm also giving you some tips and there's a fun fact at the end of the video, so be sure to stick around. My name is Vinny from Neuzugang, where we're all about learning and well-being. In this series it's all about music and the Trinity Classical Guitar Exam Grades. If this sounds good, then be sure to check out our website, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so that you get a notification when we release a new video. Ask some questions, leave us some comments. I'm going to answer the questions as well. That's it, let's get after it. This is The Forest Wakes at 104 ppm, and always before I'm starting to play, taking a deep breath to get into the forest. I'm a tree. Here we go. And here's a slower version at 70 ppm. Here we go with the metronome. 2, 3, 4. And here are some tips. Tip number 1, throughout the piece we use loads of open E and A strings. When you play, for instance, in the third bar, the low E string, I'd like you to pluck downwards like this. And you land with your thumb on the next string like this, rather than plucking outwards like this. This gives you a lot more control and also puts a bit more weight on the bass notes, so be sure to do that. Tip number 2, throughout the piece we have loads of tied over notes. For instance, if you look at bar number 2, beat number 4, the B ties over, the crotchet ties over to a semi-brief. So in total this results in 5 beats, and that's all over the place. Be sure to play the notes long enough, don't cut them short. Tip number 3, another expression mark. We already learned a couple of those in the past videos. In the second last bar, it says molto rit, and molto rit stands for molto ritardando. Ritardando is getting slower, and molto means a lot, so get slower a lot. And then in the last bar, it says sul pont, which means sul ponticello, and ponticello is the bridge on the guitar, and it means you should play in the back there because it gives it a different sound. Check this out. Compared to here, it's a lot more trebly and sharper. Trees communicate with each other in forests through a fungal network called the Wood Wide Web. They use these networks to communicate with each other and warn them of dangers. Maybe there's a squirrel coming, or there are 50 squirrels coming. Or maybe they warn themselves about a fire that started somewhere. Not entirely sure, but they do communicate with each other. And also they share nutrients. So if there's a weak tree somewhere, he says, "Hey guys, I need some water." And then they share those nutrients amongst each other. Let me know how you get on in the comments. If you have any questions, drop them there. I'm gonna answer them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also if you know someone who could enjoy these videos, do us a favor and forward it to them. I see you all in the next video.